With the schedule table of the rebar, you'll notice that there's two new columns added, and that is the weight in kilogram as well as in the cost. So if you just quickly recap on the command itself, I'm just going to start off with a rectangle, just freehand. So you can just do the exercise. So the command itself, you'll find it in application. We go down to steel, and then in the sub column we go down to auto rebar. There's also a custom rebar as well as a manual rebar. I'm going to use auto rebar. Okay, it will ask us indicate first end of beam, indicate the second end of beam, and then Caddie picks up the length. You can see at the bottom. So now you can give it a mark number, you can give it a detail. Now in this case it's going to be a Y12. So then Caddie picks up the weight per meter, and you can have the cost per kilogram. The spacing is going to be 200mm apart, and it's going to be either top one or bottom one, or you can custom. And then as you can see, your maximum bar length is 6 meters. I'm going to say OK, and Caddie will ask us indicate first end of beam run, indicate the second end of the beam run, and then Caddie asks us the position for the symbol and the position for the text, and then I can place it. So now I would like to schedule this forward area. So I'm going to go to application, we go to steel, and in the sub column we go to the last command that says schedule rebar. Caddie will ask us indicate objects to schedule. I'm going to indicate my floor area, and Caddie asks us indicate position for schedule table. And let's make it nice big. And as you can see, there's the shape code, the length, the weight, the cost, as well as in the total at the bottom.